welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritukapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review GlamEgo for September month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. So this is the box, and let me tell you, this month it's really special. The theme for this month is make your own box. And why? Because this is their mid anniversary offer, so you can select product according to your choice, and the total worth you can select product worth rupees 3,700, which is amazing. It's just 399 rupees. You can select product worth rupees 3,700, which is amazing. So yes, I'm super happy. And then let me tell you that there are 65 premium products from which you can select your product, which is again a good thing. So yes, super happy, super excited. Let me quickly show you what all it has. I've told you the price. 399 is the price for a monthly subscription, and they have longer subscription as well. Don't worry, I will be mentioning the longer subscriptions and the buying link of GlamEgo in the description box. Now let's open it and see what all it has. So it says India's #1 beauty box, which we all know. And then I have this card. It says try and buy. And on the other side, it says select up to 3,700 worth product for only 399 rupees. That's the best part. Now, let's start with the first product. And the first product is from my favorite brand. This is by Votray. And it's a face serum. I have used it like multiple times, and trust me, it's really good. The brand is good. This particular product is good. So yes, super happy with this one. This one is again from Votray, and this one is microdermabrasion spa explorate. 30 gram is the quantity, and as I've said, I love Votray products. So yes, and this one, yes, I've used it. So yeah, really happy. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Star Stuck, and this is by Sunny Leone. So it's a lip color. Let me open it and show you the packing. You can just see the outer packing is something like this. And let me just open it and show you. The color is Cherry Bomb. The price for this one is $7.99. And let me just take out. Okay, it's not coming out. Okay, done. So this is how it looks from inside. And inside again, it has a packing. So I have to open it. So this is how it looks from inside. You can just see the packing is super nice, super rich. And it says Star Stuck by Sunny Leone. And once you open it, this is how it looks. The color, as I've said, Cherry Bomb is the color. And you just see the color. Oh yes, it's cherry color. Let me just show you the shade here on my hand. Very pretty shade. So this is the one. $7.99 is the price. Third product. Super happy with this one, and this is my first product from Star Stuck from Sunny Leone. So looking forward for this. I'm left with the last one, and the last one is this one. This is by Pretty Woman, and this is a makeup removing balm. This is how it looks. It has orange, watermelon, argan oil, and vitamin E. Looks very nice, very refreshing, fresh kind of a look. And let me just open it and show you. Okay, so it's transparent, it's hardly visible. So yeah, this is the last product in the box. That's all what I have received in my GlamEgo. And as I've told you, the theme this month, the theme is make your own box, which is amazing. You get to choose product worth rupees 3,700 in just $3.99. So I guess nothing can be better than this. So yes, I definitely love it. I'm super happy with this month's edition. And yeah, GlamEgo never actually disappoints their subscriber, I can say. So yes, super happy. And if you ask me, I will definitely going to recommend this box. You guys can go and buy this box for sure. Now that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.